Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another cooking series or making series. So this time we're going to make a carrot salad. So this is the trending TikTok carrot salad, guys. So nakita ko to siya kay Alex Gonzaga, or sino pa ba yung gumawa nito? Nakalimutan ko na. Basta nakita ko siya, and then alam mo, popular itong ito ngayon, yung carrot salad na to. Pero napaka-easy lang naman. So you need to do this. So i-peel nyo, parang peeler yung ginamit para mag-slice ng carrot, and then you put onion, garlic, and spring onion. So I put the ingredients, all the ingredients here, guys, para easy lang sa inyo. So nakadepende sa inyo kung paano yung ilagay, kung gaano kadami ang ilalagay yung chili. Kaya hindi ko siya nilagyan kung gaano kadami yung chili kung nilagay, kasi nakadepende sa inyo kung gaano kaanghang ang kaya nyo. So, pati yung vinegar, guys. So, ayan. So, I put also here yung, sinamakan ba yung tawag doon sa, sa vinegar na, yun yung ginamit ko dito para gusto ko kasi maanghang. So, you can put black vinegar only if you have. So, black vinegar yung, actually, black vinegar yung nilalagay kasi mas masarap yun sa salad. So, usually, this one is like a Chinese salad here. So, ganito yung lasa ng Chinese salad dito. And then, ang sarap nito. Pwede din dito ito sa cucumber. So, yun lang, guys. Try ko itong, carrot salad. Ang sarap niya. Masarap talaga to siya. And then, kasi I like healthy foodies. So, in-try ko lang siya. I love this. So, nakadalawang beses na akong gumawa nitong carrot salad. Kaya lang, hindi ko lang siya na-videohan para sa inyo. But now, I'm sharing to you all yung carrot salad, guys. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always. See you again for another cooking series, guys, or cooking video or recipe video.